Sustainable and affordable products, especially for everyday needs, play an important role in meeting the economic and ecological challenges of the future. The Kalle Group meets these demands with innovative products based on renewable raw materials. With Kalle casings made of cellulose, new types of protein-rich foods, both meat-based and vegan, can be produced with the highest industrial efficiency. Kalle also has numerous other product solutions for a multitude of applications and food creations in its business portfolio. Next to casings, this includes sponge cloths, which are made from plant-based materials and are used in household and professional cleaning, as well as in medicine and construction. The Kalle sponge cloth is behind many well-known commercial brands and serves a third of the world market. Kalle's sustainable product development goes beyond green fibrous casings and sponge cloths. In initiatives such as new food systems, Kalle develops alternative and resource-saving product concepts with players from the entire food industry, especially for the growing vegetarian and vegan market. Quality products, expertise, and innovative strength make the Kalle Group a leader in many markets around the world. With 14 locations, 9 subsidiaries, and around 1,500 employees, it is represented in more than 100 countries. Thanks to a high level of vertical integration and established supplier relationships, Kalle can react quickly to market requirements and ensure a reliable production. Because of this, Kalle is well positioned to successfully meet future consumer needs and to bring the end products of its customers to all markets in the world.